evaluate the integral of x cubed over 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6 dx. So we have a rational algebraic expression which is improper because the degree of the numerator 3 is equal to the degree of the denominator which is also 3. So we convert first to proper rational algebraic expression by long division. So we will divide first the numerator x cubed by the denominator. So I'll write in decreasing power of x. So let's start with x cubed over 6 plus x squared over 2 plus x plus 1. Excuse me. So x cubed divided by x cubed over 6, that's equal to 6, right? And then you multiply 6 times x cubed over 6, that's x cubed. 6 times x squared over 2, that's positive 3x squared, plus 6 times x, that's 6x, and then 6 times 1, positive 6. And then let's subtract x cubed minus x cubed, 0, cancel, and the remainder will be the negative of this expression. So we'll have negative 3x squared minus 6x minus 6. Or we can have negative quantity 3x squared plus 6x plus 6. So therefore, we can rewrite the integral as the integral of 6 plus the remainder negative quantity 3x squared plus 6x plus 6 divided by the same divisor or denominator 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6. Then we can distribute the integral symbol. So we'll have 6 integral of dx, then minus integral of 3x squared plus 6x plus 6 divided by 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6 dx. So we can now evaluate 6 integral of dx, x. And then for this one, let's try to apply u substitution. We let u be equal, let's try the denominator, 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6. Get the derivative of u du, derivative of 1, 0, plus the derivative of x1, plus derivative of x squared over 2, that's 1 half times derivative of x squared, 2x, plus 1 6 derivative of x cubed, 3x squared. Then put dx. So we'll have du equal to 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 half times 2x, that's x, plus 1 6 times 3x squared, which is equal to 1 half x squared dx. So in order to produce 1 plus x plus 1 half x squared dx on the numerator, let's factor out 6 here. So we can rewrite this as negative integral of 6 times x squared over 2, right? If you factor out the 6 in 3x squared, we have x squared over 2 plus x and then plus 1. over 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6 dx, which is this expression. So we can now substitute as negative 6. We can put the constant 6 in front. Negative 6 integral of x squared plus 1 dx, that's equal to du. And then over 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6 equal to u. So negative 6 integral of du over u, that's ln u. And then let's substitute the u in terms of x, which is 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6. So we have ln of 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6. So combining the two integrals, the first term will be 6x and then minus 6 ln of 1 plus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.